In this video, I'll guide you through how to filter search results on Agoda so you can quickly find the hotel that's right for you instead of scrolling through an overwhelming list of options. We'll go from a broad search to narrowing it down with filters like price, star rating, and more, using only the tools built into the Agoda results page. First, start by searching for hotels on Agoda. Open the Agoda website or app, and on the home page, you'll see a main search bar. Type in your destination, for example, a city or area you plan to visit. Then choose your check-in and check-out dates and select how many guests and rooms you need. Once you've set those basic details, click or tap the search button. Agoda will then load a list of available properties that match your dates and general location. Now that you have your list of hotels, the next step is to locate the filters section on the results page. On the website, you'll usually see filters either along the left-hand side of the screen or near the top, just above the list of hotels, often in the form of buttons or menus labeled things like filter, sort, or specific categories such as price, star rating, or guest rating. On the mobile app, you'll typically find a filters button near the top or bottom of the screen, often represented by an icon with sliders. Take a moment to notice where these controls are because you'll be using them a lot whenever you search. Once you've found the filter section, it's time to choose the filters you want. This is where you can really tailor the results to your needs. Common filters include price range, which lets you set a minimum and maximum price per night, star rating, where you can pick anything from budget stays to more luxurious properties, and guest rating, which helps you focus on places that other travelers have reviewed positively. You'll also often find filters for property types such as hotels, apartments, resorts, or hostels, as well as location or neighborhood filters that help you stay close to certain landmarks or areas. There may be options to filter by amenities like free Wi-Fi, breakfast included, a swimming pool, gym, parking, or pet-friendly stays. Take your time to scroll through these and select what really matters for your trip. If you're on a tighter budget, start with price, then narrow down by rating. If comfort and convenience are your priority, focus on star rating, guest rating, and key amenities. As you make your selections, keep an eye on any indicators that show how many properties match your current choices. This can help you avoid over-filtering so much that only a handful of hotels remain. When you're happy with your selected criteria, apply the filters to update the results. On the website, this may happen automatically as you check or uncheck options, or there might be an apply or done button you need to click. On the mobile app, after choosing your filters, look for a clear apply button to confirm your choices. Once the filters are applied, the list of hotels will refresh to show only the properties that match what you've set. From there, you can scroll through the refined results, compare options more easily, and open individual listings to see details, photos, reviews, and booking options without having to sift through places that don't fit your needs. That's all there is to it. Search for hotels on Agoda, locate the filters section on the results page, choose the filters you want, and apply them to update your results. With these simple steps, you'll be able to find the right stay much faster and with a lot less hassle.